So when we have these beautiful moments when we are close to water and the water spirits, it's always a good idea to connect to the sound. And obviously if we have auditory, then we can. If we don't, we have visual and we can see. So we have a look and just resonate with the frequency of the water and see what it brings up for you. Allow yourself to release, let go, and just make way for so much positivity coming into your life. So much joy, abundance, prosperity, most of all happiness and love, unconditional love. And that is what is so very important for each and every one of us, is just to welcome that love into our lives and allowing everything else to just float away. So take responsibility for all the love coming into your life by visualizing it, accepting it, seeing how you feel with all that love coming into your life. How does it make you feel to be loved, to be respected, to be honored? Just resonate with that frequency.